Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as an individual products on your collection pages. So here on my collection page you can see that I have multiple products with multiple colors. So if you have any other variant name, maybe not color, so still you can implement this feature, and in that way you can display all those variants on your collection pages. So let me show you step by step that how you can implement this same feature into your Shopify store collection page. So here on my store you can see that I have 4 products and each product has multiple color variants. So below you can see that we have multiple swatches. So in each swatch we have a color connected, and we are interested to display all those colors on this collection page. So how we can do that? First of all, you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that I have installed Horizon theme. For other themes I have already created a lot of playlists of videos, so you can follow those. For now I am working on Horizon theme. So firstly you should click on these 3 dots and then duplicate this theme so that you should have a backup of this original theme version. Once you duplicate it, then again click on these 3 dots and click on edit code. So here we are going to do some editing. So I have already given a proper documentation to follow according to this video. So I have given the link below in the description, so you should click on that and download it. Once you downloading that code, you will be finding all these files. So first of all you should open document.txt. so in this file I have given all the steps very clearly, so we are going to follow each of them step by step. So the first step is create a new snippet, color-variant.liquid. So let me copy the name of this file, go back here, click on snippets. So we have sections, snippets, templates, locales, but we have to click on snippets, and here we have an option of creating a new file. Click on that and then paste that name which you have just now copied, color-variant.liquid, and then press enter key. So this way we have a new file created here. Then after again go back and we have to paste the attached code which we have. So here you can see that we have a code attached which is this one, color-variant.txt. so you should copy this code from here and then paste it inside of this file and then save the changes. Once you've done that, then close this file and go back to the documentation. We have the second step to follow. We have to create a new snippet, color-gallery.liquid. So let me copy this name, and here you should go and again click on snippets and click on new file to create and paste that name, color-gallery.liquid, and press enter key. And then you can see that we have a new empty file. So I have already given the code which you have to paste. So color-gallery.txt. so open this file, copy the code, close this file and go back here and paste it right here, then save the changes. Now you can close this file also and go back to the documentation. We have the third step which is creating another new snippet, color-group.liquid. so let me copy this, go back here, again go back to the snippets and click on this new file icon and paste that code paste that name which is color-group.liquid and press enter key. So this way again we have a new empty file and we are going to paste the attached code which is color-group.txt. so you should copy the code from here and paste it inside of this file and then save the changes. Now you can close this file also and again go back to documentation. So we have the fourth step which is creating another new snippet, color-card.liquid. so let me copy it, go back here, click on this snippet again and click on new file, and here we have to paste color-card.liquid, then press enter key, and here we have to paste the code which is color-card.txt. so you should copy this complete code from here and then paste it inside of this empty file and then save the changes. After saving the changes, you should close this file again, go back to the documentation. We have fifth step which is creating another new snippet, color-swatches.liquid. so let me copy this, go back here and we have to go again to snippets and click on new file and paste that name here, color-swatches.liquid, and press enter key. So inside of this empty file again we have to paste the code, which is color-swatches.txt. Let's copy it and then paste it inside of this file and then save the changes, and now you can close this file also. Let's go back to the documentation again, and here you can see that we have the sixth step, which is go to blocks, open product-card.liquid. So let me copy it, search here product-card.liquid. So you can see that we have multiple files, but we need to open up first file, and then inside of it we have to replace this line of code with these 4 lines of code. So let me copy, and so basically we have this line of code, which is this one, and let's paste that code here and then save the changes, go back again, and here we have the last step, which is 7th step, and go to sections, open main-collection.liquid. So let me copy it, go back here, search main-collection.liquid and just open this section file and go back here, and you need to remove li tag inside the loop, which is this one. So you should copy this line of code and search this code inside of this file. So you will find out that we have this 65 line of code, or around above or below you will find this line of code, and you need to remove this li tag from here and also closing li tag from here. All right, and let me go back again. Yeah, that's it. So now you should save the changes, and let's go back to the collection page. Right now you can see that we have only 4 pages, 4 products displaying, and only single color is appearing. So let me refresh it. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all the other colors are displaying on this collection page. Earlier we only had single color, but now we have all the other colors displaying on this collection page. So that's how you can actually implement this specific feature, and you can see that we have also the swatches, which are also working fine. So if you have any issues or something, definitely you can ask me, I will help you out in that. But this is a beautiful feature which you should have in your Shopify store, so that you could display all those color variants or any other variants which you have. Those should be appearing on collection page. So in that way you can actually increase the sales. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. If you have any new store to create or any new section to create or anything related to coding, you can directly ask me below in the comment section, or maybe I have already given the contact details in the description, so you can directly message me. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.